Imagine a garden bursting with life. Flowers bloom in vibrant colors. Honeybees buzz gently. The air smells fresh and clean. Now picture those same natural wonders working their magic on your skin. That's the power of home remedies. Nature provides everything we need for healthy, glowing skin. We all want beautiful skin. It makes us feel confident and happy. But achieving that radiant glow shouldn't mean harsh chemicals or expensive products. Let's explore the world of natural skincare together. We'll discover simple, effective remedies you can easily make at home. What does it mean to have radiant skin? It's more than just a surface glow. Radiant skin is healthy skin. It's soft, supple, and full of life. It reflects inner wellness and vitality. And the best part, anyone can achieve it with a little help from nature. For centuries, people have used natural ingredients for skincare. Honey, with its antibacterial properties, helps fight blemishes. Turmeric, a powerful antioxidant, brightens the complexion. Aloe vera soothes irritation and promotes healing. These ingredients are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They nourish and protect our skin, revealing its natural beauty. Section 5. DIY Beauty Recipes from Nature's Kitchen. In this section, we will explore how to create your own natural skincare products using ingredients you can easily find in your kitchen. These recipes are not only simple to make, but also incredibly effective in nourishing and rejuvenating your skin. Ready to whip up some skincare magic? Let's dive into the world of DIY beauty and discover how you can transform everyday kitchen ingredients into luxurious skincare treatments. Let's start with a simple honey and yogurt mask. This mask is perfect for hydrating and soothing your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. The honey acts as a natural humectant, drawing moisture into your skin, while the yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens your complexion. Apply to your face and leave on for 15 minutes. This allows the ingredients to penetrate deeply into your skin, providing maximum benefits. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. You'll notice an immediate difference in the texture and appearance of your skin. Your skin will feel soft and moisturized with a healthy, radiant glow. This mask is perfect for all skin types and can be used once or twice a week for best results. Next, try a turmeric face mask for a healthy glow. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent choice for brightening and evening out your skin tone. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of milk. The honey and milk help to soothe and hydrate your skin, while the turmeric works to reduce redness and blemishes. Apply evenly to your face and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. This mask can be a bit messy, so make sure to wear an old shirt and use a headband to keep your hair out of the way. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Be gentle as you remove the mask to avoid irritating your skin. Turmeric can temporarily stain the skin, so be careful and use an old towel. If you do notice any staining, don't worry. It will fade within a few hours. Finally, soothe irritated skin with a refreshing aloe vera mask. Aloe vera is renowned for its healing and soothing properties, making it ideal for calming inflamed or sensitive skin. Extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf. You can do this by cutting the leaf open and scooping out the clear gel inside. Aloe vera gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to nourish and repair your skin. Apply the gel directly to your face and leave on for 20 minutes. This gives the aloe vera time to work its magic, reducing redness and inflammation while hydrating your skin. Rinse with cool water. Aloe vera is incredibly soothing and helps reduce redness and inflammation, leaving your skin feeling calm and refreshed. This mask is perfect for use after sun exposure or whenever your skin needs a little extra TLC. By incorporating these natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you can enjoy the benefits of healthy, glowing skin without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive products. So why not give these DIY beauty recipes a try and see the difference for yourself? Your skin will thank you. Section 6. Integrating nature into your skincare routine. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the simple, natural remedies that can enhance our skincare routines. By integrating nature into your daily regimen, you can achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion without relying on synthetic products. Incorporating these home remedies into your daily life is easy and enjoyable. Not only do they offer numerous benefits for your skin, but they also provide a sense of connection to nature and a moment of tranquility in your busy day. Start by replacing one store-bought product with a natural alternative. This small change can make a big difference over time. For example, instead of using a commercial face wash, try cleansing your face with raw honey, which is known for its antibacterial and moisturizing properties. Try the honey and yogurt mask twice a week for a moisturizing treat. This combination not only hydrates your skin, but also helps to gently exfoliate and brighten your complexion. Simply mix equal parts honey and yogurt, apply to your face, and leave on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Use the turmeric mask once a week to brighten your complexion. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce redness and even out your skin tone. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a tablespoon of yogurt or honey, apply to your face, and let it sit for 10-15 minutes before washing off. Keep aloe vera gel on hand to soothe any irritation or sunburn. Aloe vera is renowned for its healing properties and can provide instant relief for inflamed or sunburned skin. Simply apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel to the affected area and let it absorb into your skin for a cooling, soothing effect. By making these small changes and incorporating natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you can enjoy healthier, more radiant skin while also embracing a more holistic and mindful approach to self-care. Remember, nature has provided us with an abundance of resources to nurture and care for our skin. Embrace these natural remedies and let your skin glow with health and vitality. Section 7. Holistic Harmony, Nourishing Your Skin from Within. True beauty radiates from within. What we eat and drink directly impacts our skin's health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential nutrients that nourish your skin from the inside out. Section 8. Beauty with a Conscience, Eco-Friendly Skincare Practices. Caring for our skin shouldn't come at the cost of the environment. Embrace eco-friendly practices in your skincare routine. Use reusable cotton pads or washable cloths instead of disposable ones. Choose products with minimal packaging or opt for DIY recipes using ingredients from your kitchen. Small changes can make a big difference. Section 9. Safety First, a gentle reminder. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of taking precautions when using natural skincare products. While these products can offer numerous benefits, it's crucial to ensure they are safe for your skin. Natural ingredients are generally safe and beneficial for most people. However, everyone's skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. This is why it's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying anything new to your face. A patch test helps you determine if your skin will react negatively to a new product. To perform a patch test, apply a small amount of the product to a small area of skin on your inner arm. This area is ideal because the skin is sensitive, similar to the skin on your face, but it's also discreet in case of any adverse reactions. After applying the product, wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. This waiting period is essential as some reactions may not appear immediately. During this time, avoid washing the area or applying other products to ensure accurate results. If you experience any redness, itching, or burning, discontinue use immediately. These symptoms indicate that your skin is reacting negatively to the product, and continued use could lead to more severe irritation or even an allergic reaction. On the other hand, if no irritation occurs, you can confidently incorporate the product into your skincare routine. Enjoy the journey to radiant skin with these natural remedies. Remember, taking these small steps can make a big difference in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty and skincare tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.